To Bluetooth pair your phone, first go to your media button at the bottom left and hit the Bluetooth icon at the top. And it will ask you if you want to pair a device. Click yes. And go to your phone and wait for the Uconnect to pop up on your devices. And click yes when the pairing matches. Hit pair on your phone. And it'll ask if you want to allow contacts and your favorites to sync to the radio. I'll click allow and click OK on the touchscreen. And now your phone is paired to Bluetooth, so you can call from your phone hands-free, or you can play music from your phone hands-free, and it's that simple. Okay, so the first icon at the bottom left is your media icon, and here you can have access to Bluetooth. As you can see, we're paired right now to my phone, or AM, FM radio. You can even select source and go to Sirius XM. We're not subscribed to it as we speak right now, but you can call in and get the subscription. Or if you want USB down below, you can connect your phone to it, and this will give you access to CarPlay or USB through the radio. And then you can play music that way as well. All right. So the next icon at the bottom is controls. We'll hit that one on the touchscreen. And here you can manually turn something on. So if you had cargo cam, the icon would appear here. Right now, this one is just equipped with a backup camera. So if you hit backup camera, you'll see it actually pop up on the screen. And it's got the turnable guidelines. And it's got a digital camera. It's not analog anymore. If you want to get even more close up, you can hit the plus magnifying glass icon or go back to the normal setting, and you can exit out at the top right and on the panel here. Next icon we have is your climate controls. So climate controls right now, we got them low here in Florida, but you can manually do it on the sides if you want to get it hotter or colder. So the actual physical buttons still work, or you can do it on the touchscreen, and you can use the touchscreen to adjust the temperature or how hard do you want the fan to blow. You want max AC. You want to put the defrost on if it's cold out. Also, the control feature here, if you had heated seats or whatnot, those would pop up on here as well. Okay, down at the bottom is the next feature is our Uconnect apps icon. So if we click on this, this is kind of like your app store, but for your vehicle. You can see you can get access to Sirius Travel Link. If you're something that requires a subscription, so you can see fuel prices, sports scores, weather, any type of movie listings that are local. If you go back, you also have the option to turn on hotspot feature for Wi-Fi. Obviously, you have to purchase that. Or you can go to App Manager to get some additional apps for your vehicle, or for setting up CarPlay or other settings. This is just a basic menu. Next feature we have is the navigation feature. So here you get to utilize the full 12-inch setup for navigation on the UAX setup, as opposed to just the 8.4 on the UAV or the UAQ models. And here, as you can see, we're headquarters in Oviedo. You can say where you want to go. You can go to favorites, or you can look what's local. We got Circasa's Italian, half a mile away. You can route there if you want. And
please proceed to the
now you'll see we have the destination here, ready to go. Other nav features, you can change how you want the maps to appear. You could do 3D, you could do 2D, you can do 2D north. I like the 3D option. You can say what kind of colors you want on the map, cartography. You can go to terrain if you want, And so you can see you can kind of customize the look of the map itself. And then on the nav feature, you can search. If we exit out of here, stop guidance. And now we'll go to the main search bar and you can just type in anything. So if we want to do 2582 connection, I will search it. And you can see our address pops up. Pretty quick destination route here.
You have reached your destination.
Okay, so the next icon down here is for your phone. Now, right now, it's just paired for Bluetooth. Now, you can take advantage of the CarPlay feature if you have an iPhone, Android Auto if you have Android phone. But we'll plug up my phone right now, and you'll see the icon change to CarPlay. Okay, so once your phone's plugged in, you see the icon change to CarPlay, and you see the apps from your phone that are CarPlay available pop up. So you have podcasts, music, audiobooks, your calendar, text messaging, Google Maps and Spotify, also WhatsApp up here. So if you want to go and start playing music, you can. And you can see the Walmart appear on here. Functions just out as it would on your phone, but now you have it conveniently on the touch screen. You can do your Google Maps here if you want to add a destination. So if you go under the Google Maps app, and you can just type it from your phone or through voice command, and it translates from your phone to your route, showing which location you're trying to get to. Obviously, we're already here, but just a nice feature there for you. You can go back to other apps. You have your phone, so if you see recents, who called, or voicemails you can listen to through your speakers in the car. You have all of your contacts appear. And then you have the bottom half of the touchscreen now you can customize. If you want to have your media pop up here, you can do that. And then you can put your maps up on top, or you want to have your HVAC controls here while you have your music on top. Or you can go to nav or your phone or travel link. So it's pretty customizable. Take advantage of the full 12 inches. And if you want to go back, you can have the full map display here on the 12-inch screen. Or, if you want to play or you want the bigger Walmart instead of on Spotify, you can go here under the USB feature. All right, last feature is your settings menu. And here, you can adjust the language, English, Spanish, French. You can go to your display and you can decide how bright you want it. You can decide, you can set the theme, right? So right now we have at the Ram 1500, you can customize it down to Longhorn, the Rebel, the Limited. You can, what kind of system do you want it in? Do you want it in metric or custom or US? Your voice settings. So you can say, how long do you want the response time to be? You can adjust your clock. You got your camera, which you can say, do you want the grid lines on? Do you not want them on? Do you want a delay on the camera? But as you can see, there's just a bunch of different features here that you can customize your audio settings. So you can decide you want more sound in the front or the back. Do you want some bass to it? Lower the treble for it, depending on what kind of music you're listening to. And then you can just do a full reset if you want at the end of the day to go back to factory settings. So when you're ready to set up for SiriusXM, under settings, scroll down to the SiriusXM setup button and just touch that. And now you can hit subscribe and call the number with your radio ID, and they can activate it over the phone for you.